Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today we're gonna make a very quick, very easy baked oatmeal because I have a breakfast for luncheon at work tomorrow and I am too tired to make anything else. So let's do this really fast, really easy, really delicious recipe together. To get started, we're gonna add 3 eggs to each baking dish. We're going to go ahead and just break those up and just kind of scramble them up a bit. And then we're going to add 2 cups of milk to each one. And I just have a tiny bit left, so we'll just add a little bit extra oats. And then 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And this is a ½ teaspoon, so I'm going to do 4 of these. One teaspoon of salt. And again, this is just a ½ teaspoon, so we need 2 of those. And then we need a ½ cup of sugar. And I'm using brown sugar. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of mix all the liquid ingredients together before moving on to our oats, just so I know that this is nice and blended. And then we need 4 cups of oatmeal in each batch. Oh, and I should have done this before, but let's preheat our oven to 350. Okay, and finally we're going to add a whole bag of frozen raspberries. And we'll just kind of mix those in just a little bit and leave most of them on top. Now that these are all mixed and ready, we're going to go ahead and put them in the oven. And we're going to set a 35-minute timer and come check on them. Once they're golden brown on top, they are done. Now these still look a little gooey in the middle, but they are going to sit in the refrigerator overnight and I don't want to over bake them. So I'm going to go ahead and just let them cool here on the counter. Once they're cool, I'll put the lid back on and we'll stick them in the fridge for tomorrow. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like more content like this, head over to my channel to subscribe. And I hope to see you guys again very soon. Thanks guys. Bye.